It's spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. What's up, folks? What's up? I am in the kitchen preparing some chili mac. I'm gonna bake it in the oven, one side cheese, one without, and we're having garlic butter pizza bread. Yep, not making a pizza, just using it as garlic buttery flavored pizza crust to be eaten with this delicious seasoned with all kind of herbs and spices chili mac. I'm just prepping it right now, putting everything together, mixing the noodles, and then I'm about to put that cheese on there. It's gonna be so yum. Yes, it is. So dinner today is chili mac, baked in oven, put cheese on top, and some garlic buttery pizza crust used as the bread, the toast, whatever you want it to be. Diet approved. I'm about to put these things in the oven, so be back. Half cheesy chili mac baked in the oven. Also, the garlic pizza crust, flavored the way a foodie would love it. Diet approved. Hey y'all, the demon is busy. I'm on here. I don't feel well. I'm struggling to make this video. I'm still not feeling so hot. But I hope all y'all doing good. All the people that concerned about me and mine. And I'm concerned about you and yours that, you know, always come through. Oh Lord. I gotta turn the camera this way, y'all. I done messed up. Oh, I messed up. Is it still recording? Hello, Spirit Boosters. It's Miss JENITA. Struggling to make this video like I just mentioned. I just come through here, share my little groceries. I'm going to be making some tacos this evening. And I'm making some banana muffins. What else? And I don't know what else. I just want to share with y'all this little grocery haul so I can get up off here and get back. Look, I had to get tea. I got orange juice. I got some cough syrup. That little poisonous virus, whatever going around, came in my household, got us all sick. It's on and off, messed up my taste buds. I probably made a video before this one. I done had made videos I ain't put up because I wasn't feeling well. I'm still not feeling well. Struggling to make this video. And yeah, the sickness, whatever it is out there, those streets that's still attacking folks and causing people's demise and so forth and so forth. Even the children, I heard on one person's video, they said they should shut all this stuff down. But some people don't care, so you're going to be missing loved ones and family, friends, and all that going on because whatever this mess is contagious. I barely go out the house because, you know, and I got this mess. And like I say, I don't have no taste buds. I can barely taste the food and smell it. So it's difficult when I cook, unless, you know, I've been cooking for a while, so I could do a little bit of good. But mostly sweet stuff, I can really taste the sweet. But not the flavor, just the sugar. But anyway, I got this tea. Well, my husband got it for me at Food for Less. Well, he got two different kinds. He got, I got some, what's the other one called? I got the Lipton tea too, the black Lipton tea. I gotta try to see where it's at. I got some black Lipton tea, and I got the Celestial seasoning tea, and I got some Bigelow. I just realized he got the Bigelow lemon ginger, and it's got probiotics and stuff in there. And he got the lemon zinger is really good, and herbal caffeine free teas, and I got the black Lipton is not caffeine free, but it's all right. I put a little sweetener in there because it's all right. And we got a box of hot cocoa, even though I got a big old can of it in the refrigerator, which I'm gonna be making me a German chocolate cake. I don't know, chocolate cake somebody for Christmas. And I had a great Thanksgiving. I hope y'all had a great Thanksgiving. But Christmas, I'm struggling because with this nasty virus, infectious germs going through the community and all around the USA. Got a lot of folks sick and carrying on. You can't get around it. I don't care if you get shot or not. This mess is touching everyone. If you're not touched, or you got a good immune system. But the orange juice is very expensive, and I'm sure that you guys have also heard about hard finding cold medicine, especially for children, because that RSV stuff affecting these kids and adults too. They say they want folks to get another shot for the new variant, COVID variant, whatever. I'm not sure what it's called anymore. I just heard about it one time. I ain't keeping up with all that stuff. The news and stuff. Like I said, I've been chilling, trying to get well with this mess is on and off. I got through the worst part because that's when I had chills and fever and sore throat and coughing and unbelievably coughing for so long. Yep. That coughing is what would you say? The coughing is a very concerning thing because you think you ain't gonna stop that coughing because you think it related to the virus, and not just the cold. This stuff is mingling together, folks. The folks are really spreading this virus stuff around. Folks ain't got no mask on, and coughing in your hand, hacking all over the shopping carts, doorknobs, furniture. It's everywhere. You can't get around unless you wear your gloves, and then you gotta be careful with that because then you're gonna be touching other stuff. Cause hey, just my family, we try to be precautious and keep masks and sanitary wipes, sanitizing wipes and stuff, those Clorox wipes and whatever wipes I have, because when I go to the store, I'm always wiping the basket down. Wait, y'all, I'm carrying on and on and on. Let me stop. I got for tonight, we got some Mission taco shells. I got some of this. I like this cheese. It's called Creamy Gouda. I'm about to eat one in a few minutes. And what else? I got some of this coleslaw we're gonna put on the tacos. I got 2 things of Greek plain yogurt. I got some bell peppers. We got some green onions down there in the cut. I got a bag of Granny Smith apples. I got some street flour taco shells, and I got some Fuji apples back there. They say extra sweet. Can you see that? Extra sweet. I got 2 bags of sweet potatoes back there. What else I got? Oh yeah, I got this green La Victoria taco sauce which I'm putting on my taco. And my husband, I thought I was getting some hot sauce. He said that's the old school original Louisiana hot sauce, 1 drop of do it. See it say that on there, 1 drop of do it. How about that? Y'all had that? Say so in the comments. Then I got me some Frank's Red Hot Sweet Chili. And I got some Kid Coleman's sweet and sour sauce. I'll be fixing up some meat with these sauces. But yeah, I'm about to get off here, And I can't drink too much of this tea, y'all, because y'all know I'm allergic to all things water if I stay in it too long. But yeah, this is my little haul from different stores. A lot of stuff I ain't shared with y'all. I guess I don't know if I continue to make my grocery haul when I wasn't feeling well. I don't even remember, y'all. But anyway, Miss Janita about to get off here. Anyone that was concerned about me, thank you. And I was concerned about y'all because just like I said, there's nasty cold stuff going around. And it's difficult getting rid of it because, especially when you're a little older or younger, it don't even matter. This mess is you got to struggle to get over this. And if it don't take you out, then you are very blessed. Because it's a hot mess out there. Be safe with this flu and fever. It's raining out here really, really bad in Southern California today. At least my garden, my plants are getting water. My husband, he said, I got to move my plants around because on Christmas, he going to barbecue. We have a T-bone steaks. We got to have barbecue on Christmas. And which y'all have, leave in the comments. And now I got to go holler at my gardening people and my what's the other channel? Oh, my crafting channel people. Happy holidays, you guys. Stay safe and stay well. Bye. Bless y'all. Thank you. Donations still welcome. It's spirit boosting time. Spirit